Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. GALA is still coming down in this bear flag. You can see that we currently, I would currently see it as 5 waves up complete as a wave 1. Other interpretations are possible without violating the rules or guidelines of Elliott wave. So we could also say that this 4th wave might be still ongoing, and we had here a bit of a running flat going on. So the wave 4 is still ongoing, and the next leg up would be a wave 5. So we should still see some upside either in a wave 5 or after completion of this wave 2 in a 3rd wave. Yeah, so we've got some confluence there. What I don't know is if this is now a wave 2 which is coming down here or a wave 4. But in the short term it doesn't really matter so much. If you look at this corrective pattern to the downside, we can count it very nicely as an A wave down. I moved the A from there to here. I think that fits better. Doesn't make any difference. The move to the B wave and the move up in the B wave, and then we're currently coming down in the C wave. In the C wave I only have 3 waves down at the moment. 1, 2, 3. Bear flag 4 at the moment, and the 5th wave down. So I'm still waiting for that 5th wave. I think we need to see that across the market. And when we get that one additional low, I will start to buy into several cryptos, including GALA probably. Keeping it small, here and there. I want to spread a little bit across different coins. But I think we've got here an opportunity that we're heading back into support. We broke down from the high, like 30, and maybe we'll go a bit lower, 30 to 40%, yeah, which is typical for a correction of that type. When we had an ascending wedge or ending diagonal in wave 5, sometimes the cryptos only make a shallow correction. We see that on the rune chart at the moment as well. We see that on the link chart. We see that on the Matic chart. So I don't necessarily expect anymore this wave 2 to break below 3.4 cents. At the moment, I think we have good support here. We've got good confluence as well. We've got the previous wave 4 low here around the 3.58 cent level. This is going to be an important support. Typically a wave 2 or wave 4 tends to come back to the previous 4th wave of the same degree, of a smaller degree. Then we see that we had here an A wave and a B wave, and you can see a 1 in a leading diagonal, a 2, a 3, a 4, bear flag typical. You would expect it to break down from here, and then a 5th wave. It can still go a bit higher, the 4th wave, yeah. This could morph into something different, but still a 4th wave, as long as it holds this resistance area. So if we look at this resistance area, we measure it by taking the length of the 3rd wave and the retracements, and this is the area between the 38.2 FIB and the 50% FIB level between 4.8 cents and 4.99. The 4th wave can without a problem get into this area, but it shouldn't go beyond it. If it does, it's probably not a wave 4 anymore, but until we break above 4.99, I would look at lower still. But at the moment we do react here to the 23.6 FIB level, and until I have confirmation that we are breaking here to the upside, I will assume we go down directly from here. A breakout of the channel will indicate that the breakdown is started. Targets for the downside. So what we can do, we take the length of waves 1 to 3 and we go to the high of the wave 4. I can only take the current wave 4 high, so these targets might change if we go a bit higher, yeah. But we talk about the 38.2 FIB extension to the 61.8 extension between 3.97 cents and 3.57. Take a look at this area when we come down in the 5th. That's also the area where I would probably start to buy. And then we have another way of measuring is to take the length purely of the wave 1. Let me see, I think I took the wrong length here. We take the length of the wave 1 and we go to the high of the 4th. We look for the 1-to-1 ratio, that's at 3.81 cents. So all of it sort of in this area here, yeah. And that's, I think, where we have good FIB confluence and also structural support, where looking at the pattern with one more low, the pattern is complete. So we can reasonably expect some upside from here. If it's going to be the 3rd wave, which could take us, to whatever, 7 cents and beyond, or if it's just another corrective wave up, that's what we will need to see. But I think with one more low, we have at least something to watch out for, and then need to pay attention to, is the trend changing? And if we then see any trend reversal signals, it might indicate that we are heading up, at least that a low of sorts has been made. If it's going to be another B wave to the upside, or, because it could obviously be that this here was just the A wave of a wave 2, we're going to move up in a B wave and then come down in C and make it a 2 here. This is possible as well, but then at least you could scale in here, trade the B wave, scale out if you see it's failing as an impulse, So there are different strategies around it, but I'm going to buy probably into this area unless I see something which I don't expect. If I don't know what's going on, then I better don't buy. So yeah, that's what I'm watching out for at the moment. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.